Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss marine law and maritime injury cases. So let's start our video with introduction. Houston Maritime Attorney in the USA in 2022, the Admiralty Act exists to help injured sailors recover from work-related injuries. Without these restrictions, injured sailors would be obliged to work on their own to alleviate any hardship they may have had to endure at work. When a marine crew becomes ill or injured, the shop owner is responsible for compensating them. This is what maritime advocates call maintenance and treatment. Houston Maritime Attorney in USA in 2022. Basically, this means that the employer must cover the cause of illness until employee is fully recovered. This commitment is seen by the courts as the duty of any employer of their ship. Houston Maritime Attorney in the USA in 2022. In addition, sailors are entitled to full pay for the cruise period during which they were ill or injured. In most cases, they specify the amount of unpaid wages in their employment contract. High Sea Death Act. Houston Maritime Attorney in the USA in 2022. The best working in the commercial marine industry is risky. The death of worker can sometimes be due to negligence or wrongdoing of the employer or co-worker. In the event of death of a loved one on a cruise ship at least 3 nautical miles off the US coast, the spouse, parent, child, or other dependent relative may be entitled to fair compensation for the missed salary, funeral expenses, and counseling costs. On high sea law, for a claim to be successful, a maritime attorney must prove negligence on the part of a ship owner or co-worker. Even if the deceased played a role in his or her own death, compensation may still be appropriate. Merchant Marine Act. Houston Maritime Attorney in the USA in 2022. If you work for a company on the ground and have work-related injuries, state workers' compensation rules apply. This is not the case when you work offshore. The Jones, often referred to as the commercial maritime law, is a federal law adopted in 1920 that governs maritime trade in the ports of the United States. However, part of the law allows marine workers to sue their employer for benefits for work-related injuries caused by their negligence. It doesn't matter if you are a captain or companion, a decant or cook or bartender, you may be eligible for benefits if you dedicate at least 30% of your working hours to shipping operations while on the water and experience injuries. This includes load wages, medical bills, and compensation for pain and distress. Houston Maritime Attorney in USA in 2022. Offshore workers may be subject to punitive damages in some cases if the employer establishes intentional and unintentional negligence towards their safety. A qualified lawyer under the Jones Act can create an case for you and get you the money you deserve. Limitation of Liability Act and your marine injury lawyer. Houston Maritime Attorney in the USA in 2022. Limit liability law protects ship owners from being forced to pay for injuries or death in excess of value of their ship. This could be bad news for the plaintiff. All claims are processed whenever the ship owner files a liability limit complaint. This suspension will remain in place until the hearing is consolidated into a single proceeding in which rival claims may be forced to accept a prorated settlement. Houston Maritime Attorney in USA in 2022. Furthermore, limited liability do not allow jury trials. Some personal injury lawsuits, thankfully, are exempt. Among them are claims for salaries due to sailors as well as claims for maintenance and treatment. Houston Maritime Attorney in USA 2022. If a limit liability claim has been filed. To defend your claim, you will need an experienced marine injury lawyer. Cobos Law Firm, one of the largest firms on the market, is located in Houston. In addition, we offer a free introductory consultation to help you understand your legal rights. So this is our today video. I hope you learned something from our video. Take care.